back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beverly. Today I'm doing an Ivy Park review. This is Beyonce's collection with ADIDAS and this one's called Icy Park. So I'm going to give my honest review. So let's get started. I picked up is this. I picked up these leggings from the pink collection. I absolutely love the pink collection. I think that's actually the nicest collection. I do think there's a lot of problems with the collection itself, with stitching and the material. So with this leggings, I got a 14. It's extremely stretchy, so it will definitely fit. The other problem that I have with this is actually that it was really difficult to put on. I think it's not worth the hustle. Like, I don't want to pay that much for leggings and then struggle to put it on as well. It fits, but you just have to struggle to put it on. I know these are actually reflective lines, which is quite grey, but our other was actually white. And I know that's not their fault, but I just rather it was just white, but that's just me. You've been sending flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. So I was actually really excited about these shorts, but they're so disappointing. I think the original shorts in the previous collection was so much better than these ones. Not a fan of this, and there's a huge stitching problem at the bottom here. It literally fits perfectly, there's nothing wrong with the sizing, but down here I think the stitching is a bit too tight, that it gives you a bit of sausage legs, which I'll show you, but I am not a fan of this. This again, sadly, be going back, I'm just not a fan of it. I definitely prefer the first shorts which I got in the khaki, the forest collection, which I actually really loved. I'm gonna be more positive. Let's move on to the hoodie. I love this hoodie. I love the color. I love the fact that it's more like neon pink, but it's nice pink. It's more also like raspberry pink. I love this. And this time they listened to us. They gave us pockets, guys, pockets, which is very important, because I think like this one I'm wearing has no pockets, whereas the price you're paying, how can you not include pockets? It doesn't make sense. But this one has pockets, and that's a good thing. I really like this. It's oversized. I got a medium because it's unisex, so I got a medium. You've been sending flowers to me. Send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away. So I picked up these trousers as well. This is the brown trousers. I actually wasn't really sure about it, but I actually really like it. You can dress up in two ways, and it's kind of a multi-purpose trousers, which is good, so it makes it worth it for the price that you're paying. It can be zipped all the way up like this, and that looks really cool, especially if you're wearing heels with it. And obviously then you can zip it down as well, to wear it with trainers or to even wear with heels as well. I absolutely love the colours. It's giving me African print vibes, and I love this. The pockets here are really cool as well. It has the pockets here and here. A lot of really cool pockets here, which I think makes it look really cool. So let me just bring it up closer. Obviously this comes with a jacket, but I knew the jacket is something I just wasn't interested in. And I know it looks really well put together with the jacket and the trousers, but it's not for me. So I'll go right for the trousers. You went away, you went away, sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Trainers is the showstopper, so give me a second while I unbox the trainers and show you. I got the platform trainers. I think that's actually the best trainers. I'm so glad. I keep waiting for her to improve the trainers, and every time she drops a new collection she literally does improve it. So this one, I might actually keep it. I absolutely love these trainers. I love the platform. When I saw it on Hailey Bieber, I thought, oh my gosh, I can't wait for these to drop. They actually remind me of the new not Puma, the new Prada trainers, which are like £600, and it has a similar platform, which is not worth it. It's so basic. It just has a Prada logo on it. So this is definitely worth it, and I feel like it's, oh my god, I just love this. I'm going to dim the lights a bit just so you can see the shoes properly. So hopefully you guys can see the shoes. It's white and it has a little cream detail. I guess it's cream, and the only thing I don't like about these trainers is that I think the tongue is just a bit too long. I get this, I know you're supposed to attach it to your bags, but that's not really what I'm going to use it for. And obviously you can't wear this to the gym. You know, I know her collection's for the gym, but no one really wears these clothes to the gym. Alright everyone, that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what items that you actually liked from this collection. My favourite is actually the trainers. I don't think I'm really in love with any of these items, if you want my honest opinion. I love the pink hoodie, sorry. I absolutely love the colour. But I don't think I'm in love with this collection itself. I think the previous collections were much better, and then this collection, and I feel like this collection is also appropriate for winter when we're actually leaving winter, so that was a bit weird. But anyways, if you like this video of course, subscribe, let me know what content that you like, and see you very soon. Thank you guys.